How to make WhatsApp pool vote. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can make WhatsApp pool vote. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now you have to open the chat or group where you want to share the pool. Once you're here, navigate to the message at the bottom of the interface. There, tap on the attached icon or the paperclip, and from these options, you have to select pool. Now you have to enter your poll question in the top field. After that, you can add multiple options for people to vote on. So there you have to add at least 2 options. Then you can always rearrange the option by dragging them or delete any unnecessary ones like this. After that, you can customize the poll setting. If you want to change multiple choice voting or restrict voters to select one option, then you can toggle off this option that says allow multiple answers. Once you're done, tap on the send button at the bottom right corner and your poll will appear in the chat or group. After that, you can tap on the poll to see who voted and how many votes each option received. And polls cannot be edited once sent. To remove it, you can delete the message. And that's how you can make WhatsApp poll vote. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.